So we have a regular issue about once a year, maybe every 10 months or so. Our bath becomes very slow running. For us, I think it's because I've got medium length hair. I think that it does get down there and it tangles. Also, I'm a soap user, so the little bits of soap that are left over do get stuck in the plug hole. I know, terrible person. Just a general build up from the residue from things like shampoos and shower gels. It does end up building up. So we use Kilrock, and at the moment it's not blocked, but it's very slow draining. I will talk to you about Kilrock. It does an absolutely fantastic job. Now you can do it as a treatment, so like us, if you've got a slow running or a gate or a blockage, you can do it that way. Or you use it preventatively, so maybe you can use just a sort of section of it maybe once a month just to maintain it. If I was sensible, that's what I'd be doing, but I'm not. This is a chemical, so make sure you heed all the guidance on the back of the bottle. Remove the safety cap, and all you do is super simple. I'm going to remove my plug, upend it all, and let the whole thing go through and leave it there. You can leave it overnight if you wanted to, depending on how serious your blockage is. I'm probably going to leave mine for about 2 hours just to get through everything. Then you just run the hot tap for about 3 or 4 minutes just to flush it through your entire system, and you're good to go. Of course, if it's really serious, you may need to get multiple applications, but so far, even with the blockage, this has done the job. So overall, yes, I recommend Kilrock. It's done a fantastic job for me.